Hey guys, welcome to Ar-Dee Slots. I am at Fitzgerald's in Tunica. Man, this place is pretty cool. Looks like a castle. Sorry about the sun there. Looks like a castle. This is affectionately known as the Fitz. I'm gonna take my $100 in here and see what I can do with it. Hopefully quality will be improved over my last video, but hey, I'm a beginner. We'll see how long it takes. All right, hey, let's get to it. All right, so apparently this is just a night for me to play games that I like. Total Meltdown, love this game. It is a quarter denomination, but it's 5 lines, so I'll be playing 5 credits. I've got $20 in, plus 7 of free play, plus 5 from my last game. Got 25 spins here. We'll see if I can, make something happen. But I love this game. We'll see how it goes. Just that mechanical sound, I love it. There we go, a little something. There's 2 credits. There we go, 4 more credits. I think that's my 7th spin. We'll see. Alright, pretty sure that was number 10. Gives me 15 spins more. Just give me a meltdown. There we go. Pretty sure I said 10 spins. I meant 15. Now I have 10 spins to go. There we go. That'll be all right. Okay, spin number 20. 21. I like that. Come on, give me a meltdown before I go. That was spin number 24. Here's spin number 25. Come on, give me the meltdown. Give me the meltdown. There we go. There we go. And that was it. All right, I'll take that. Out of some free play, that's not terrible. All right, we'll move on to the next game. All right, so apparently I'm not going to go with the plan and play quarter machines all night and try to come out with money. I'm going to try this Frankenstein game. I've never played it. I've seen it, of course, on YouTube, but I've never actually played it, so I'm going to give it a go right now. Hopefully we'll come out with some money. I am going to go on the minimum bets. I know you can't get that progressive up there if you're not betting $3 or $6, but I only came in here with $100, so I've got to go low, but we're going to give it a shot here and see how it goes. All right, let's get to it. Sorry about that, had to switch hands. Hey, I needed 3 of those free games. If I would have had the It's Alive symbol, that would have been all right. Let's see if we can get it though. A whole 17 cents. What a bargain. not terrible. Hopefully I hit it. Trying to keep track of my spins here. Come on, 7. 8. Oh, give me 3 of those. Come on. Well, now that would have been nice if I'd have had the It's Alive. The fiery head. At least give me a line hit or 2. Love the music. Give me a couple more. Alright, I'm over halfway through. Got a 17-cent hit, but that doesn't do much, does it? Come on, give me It's Alive. Or another one. Give me a free games. Give me a free games. Well, Jacks would have been nice all the way across, but that's only 19 cents as it is. Just give me something. Make me want to come back. Give me one more. Come on now. Come on now. Not kind. Not kind. 5 cents. Sweet. Yeah. Getting down to it now. Come back. Right now, I don't want to. Well, maybe if I had a little more money, I would. Alright. Looks like I've got 2 spins to go. Hey! Oh no. No. Gosh, I was so excited for that. Turned out to be nada. Last spin. Once again, nada. Alright guys, I'm going to cash out my 39 cents and look for a different one. Well, maybe I'll play the wager saver. Nope, shouldn't have. Alright, hey, I'll see you on the next machine. Alright, here we are back at Total Meltdown. It's the same bank of machines, but it's not the same machine. So I'm going to give it another shot here on a different machine. Hopefully it'll do me decent. I've got 16 spins with it. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a few spins. I need more.
I don't know.
Well, that would have been nice to hit something there. Well, at least got something. 3. Not even my bet back, but I'll take it. Yeah, I like that. It's not even my bet back, but wow. Alright. About 5 spins to go. That's all she wrote. This machine didn't do me as good as the other one, but I am still walking out with a little bit. Maybe I'll give it a couple more spins. leave it at that. See you at the next machine. Firecrackers are full. Of course, that doesn't mean anything, but I think I've said it before. It makes me feel better, and hopefully it'll do something for us. I am going minimum on my bet. Somebody left me 36 cents in the machine. We'll see how it goes from here. Wouldn't hurt my feelings to get it on the first spin. A little bit of a hit. 30 cents. Not enough. Come on, that's the one I like. I like the Ultra Spins best on this machine. It's really great if you can get it on a double up or even a triple pop would be all right. But I will take whatever I can get as long as it comes quick. Always a tease. Do it. That would have been good. Anything I can get. I've definitely had better sessions than what I've had here at the Fitz. But I really like this place. It's pretty nice. I went upstairs, grabbed something to eat. They have a Fuddruckers upstairs. They have a Dunkin' Donuts and a Baskin Robbins. They have a big buffet. They also have a little pizza joint. And they've got a new restaurant coming in pretty soon. I don't know exactly what it's going to be, but they've got plenty to eat here. And I don't know about you, but I like a Fuddruckers burger. Sure would be nice to hit something soon. Once again, I apologize for the shakiness. I have been holding this phone quite a bit today. Come on, do that. Give me a double pop. Double pop. Well, coming up on halfway through my money here. Haven't hit much of anything. But I do still like the action you get with the fireworks going up. It does make it a little easier to play. That's not a terrible hit. I'll take that all day. $5.20. This being my last game of the session. Hey, how about that? I got it. Let me see how much I get out of this. Now when I finish, this is it. I get this bonus, I am quitting and calling it a day. I could definitely use bigger numbers than that, but that bird's going to come through here any minute. Make them grow. There we go. Just make them grow a lot. Oh my gosh, my name was just called, and I am in the middle of some free spins. So let's see if we can hurry this up. I think I just won some free play. I might be here a little while longer. If I can finish this in time. And this bonus can take a while. I don't think it's going to take all of my 5 minutes, but we'll see if I can get over there. Oh my, feeling some pressure to get this thing over with. But I am liking this bonus. Don't really want it to end, but it's kind of hard to, I'm torn, but I'm not leaving this bonus. Unfortunately, wouldn't hurt my feelings to see some words on some of those things up there. Well, the multipliers are handy. Trying to get through this as quick as I can. I should still have plenty of time, but it's not going to be terrible. Alright. I don't normally end that quick, but I'll give it one backup spin and cash out. Hey, I'll see you at the next machine.